In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get the time warp scan filter on TikTok. So all you need to do is launch up TikTok. And then once TikTok is open, you want to go ahead and tap on the Discover tab. Then you just want to search for, in the search bar, time warp scan. Then you want to hit search. And then you want to scroll over to the videos tab. That's going to load up all the videos using the time warp scan filter. So you can go ahead and tap on any one of them. And then you can see above the person's username, it says time warp scan with that little filter icon. You want to go ahead and tap on that. And then you can tap on add to favorites. And then you'll be able to go ahead and record a video using that filter. And then once you've recorded your video on TikTok, you can go ahead and use it on Snapchat or Instagram, any one of the other social medias. So that is how you get the time warp scan filter on TikTok. If this video helped you out, smash the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.